Good morning, students. In this today's class, we are going to discuss the methods of preparation. In the last class, we have seen the two methods. First one is the methods for the preparation of mines. First one, it is from nitrohydrocarbons. First method is the nitrohydrocarbon, and second method we have seen the from alkyl halides. In the alkyl halides, we have seen the nodes. In that nodes, suppose consider here, when the alkyl halides react with, that is, we are preparing the amines with the help of alkyl halides. When the alkyl halides react with alcoholic ammonia, that is ammonia in the alcoholic condition, then it will use the compound called an alkyl, that is, it will use the amine. Here primary amine will be prepared. It will use the primary amines. Okay. This reaction is carried out in the sealed tube at 373 Kelvin temperature. When the alkyl halides react with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed tube at a 373 Kelvin temperature, then it will use the compound called an primary amine. This is about when the excess amount of ammonia is taken, then it will use the compound called an primary amines. Okay. Let us see. If excess amount of alkyl halides are taken, then it will use the compound secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. It will produce the quaternary ammonium salt or quaternary salt. Here, then how it will, let us see how it will use the secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. That is quaternary salt here. Okay, let us take, when the reaction is, if we take the excess amount of alkyl halide, consider particular example CS3I, when react with an ammonia, that is alcoholic condition, then it will use the compound CS3NH2. When the alkyl halide is taken excess, then further it will undergo alkylation to form the secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt. If you take excess amount of alkyl halide further, and primary amine will undergo alkylation, that is react with the alkyl halides CS3I, further it reacts with the alkyl halide, undergo alkylation to form the secondary amine, that is CS3NHCS. It will produce the secondary amines. The secondary amine further it will undergo alkylation, that is CS3NHCS3. Further it will undergo alkylation because we are taking the excess amount of an alkyl halide that is in the sealed tube. Therefore, further it will undergo alkylation to form the compound and tertiary amines, CS3 and CS3 CS. The nitrogen contains lone pair of electrons. That lone pair of electrons also undergo. Further it will to the presence of lone pair of electrons. Further it will undergo alkylation to form the compound quaternary salt. That is CS3 and 1 minute. That is CS3 tertiary amines further undergo an alkylation to form the compound called CS3 and CS3 here, CS3, that is quaternary salt. Due to the presence of hydrogen, we will call it as N salt. It will produce, finally it will use the quaternary salt. Here it will use the tertiary amines and it will produce this is the secondary amine. In the sealed tube, if we take the excess amount of an alkyl halide, secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt due to because it will undergo alkylation to form the secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt. This is about the, and that is second method from the alkyl. Suppose if you take the excess amount of ammonia, that will use the only primary amine as a major product. If you take the excess amount of an alkyl, then it will use the secondary amines, tertiary amines and quaternary salt. Then let us see third one. Third method from cyanohydrocarbons. From cyanohydrocarbons. The cyanohydrocarbons are also known as nitriles. Nitriles. The special name is given as, or it is known as an Mendes reaction. This is known as an Mendes reaction. Mendes reactions for the synthesis of an, it is amine. It is very important for the examination. Mendes reaction is the preparation of amines with the help of nitriles or cyanohydrocarbon, that it is known as and Mendes reaction. Okay. Then let us see how the amines will be prepared in the Mendes reaction. Okay. When cyanohydrocarbons are generally, we can write the RCl. When the cyanohydrocarbons undergo reduction in the presence of a nickel as the catalyst at 140 degrees Celsius temperature and 130 atmospheric pressure, this will undergo reduction in the presence of nickel as catalyst at 140 degrees Celsius temperature and 130 atmospheric pressure. Then it will use the compound called an primary amine, that is RCS2NH2. Now balance the reaction here. The number of hydrogen is that side 4, then take 4 this side. This is the cyanohydrocarbon, or simply we will represent, and nitriles. When the nitriles undergo reduction in the presence of nickel as catalyst at 140 degrees Celsius and 130 atmospheric pressure, that will use the compound called an amine. This is the general representation, and let us see the example here. This example, when the nitriles CS3 C triple bond N, the name for this compound is an ethane nitride. Two number of carbon atoms are present in the parent shell, therefore it is represented as ethane nitride. That is, ethane nitrile is the name for this compound. Okay. When undergo reduction in the presence of a nickel as catalyst at 140 degrees Celsius and 130 atmospheric pressure, then it will produce the compound called CS3 CH2 NH2. That is, compound is the ethylamine, or we can represent that is ethane amine. Ethane amine is the name for this compound. IUPAC name is ethylamine, and generally it is known as ethyl amine. Okay. In the place of nickel, that is, let us to take note here. In the place of nickel as the catalyst, we can use lithium aluminum hydride in ether, or lithium aluminum hydride. We can use the lithium aluminum hydride or sodium in ethanol, or C2H5. Okay. We can use the lithium aluminum hydride or sodium in ethanol, or ethyl alcohol as the reducing agent. In the place of nickel, we can use these two as the reducing agent in the reaction. Then the fourth one from amides. Fourth method is the from amides. When amides undergo, that is RC double bond NH2. Such type of compounds are known as an amide. When the amides undergo reduction in the presence of an lithium aluminum hydride, we are taking the reducing agent here, lithium aluminum hydride, then it will use the compound called RCH2 NH2 plus H2O. Here the amide will undergo reduction in the presence of a lithium aluminum hydride to form the compound called an amide. Then balance the reaction with the number of hydrogen atom here 2 and 2 here. That's okay. Number of hydrogen is 2 plus 2 4 6, and here number of hydrogen is 3. Then take 4 here. Now it is the balanced chemical equation, that is number of oxygen 1, R group 1, nitrogen 1 and carbon 1. Number of hydrogen here 2 plus 4 6, here 6 hydrogen. This is about the general presentation for the preparation of an amide with the help of amides. Then let us take the example here. Example CS3 C double bond O CH NH2. This is the amide compound. Name for this compound is acetamide. The name for this compound is acetamide or acetamide. Acetamide, when undergo reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride as the reducing agent, then it will produce the compound called here CS3 CS2 NH2 plus water molecule. The name for this compound is ethylamine. Generally it is known as ethylamine, and ionic name is an ethylamine. This is about the fourth method. Let us see fifth method. That is fifth method. Very important here. Very important. From amides. The preparation of an amides with the help of amides, or generally we can call it as an Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Name the reaction here. This is very important. That is from the amides or Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Let us see. Fifth method from the preparation of an amines from the amides or Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. This is very important for the examination. Let us see the synthesis of an amines here. The thalamides, the name for this compound is an first take the structure of thalamide here. C double bond O, here N H. This compound is known as an thalamide. Name for this compound is thalamide. Thalamides, when react with a strong solution of, and that is strong alkali solution, then it will use the salt of that alkali solution, and further it is on heating with the alkyl halide and alkaline hydrolysis, then it will use the compound called an primary amines. First we will react with the strong solution of potassium hydroxide. In the place of potassium hydroxide, we can take the sodium hydroxide. We can take any strong solution of that strong alkaline solution. When the strong alkaline solution, that is KOH, react with the thalamide, then it will produce the salt of an thalamide. That is, we are taking the potassium here, it will produce the potassium salt of phthalimide. Let us write, that is it will produce and potassium salt of phthalimide. It will use the compound called potassium phthalimide and further it will produce the water molecule. This compound is known as potassium salt of phthalimide. Potassium salt of phthalimide is the name for this compound. The potassium salt of phthalimide, to the potassium salt of phthalimide we are heating with the alkyl halides and further we are carrying the alkaline hydrolyzed. First carry the reaction with the alkyl halide or first react with the alkyl halide here. Potassium salt of phthalimides. In the second step, the potassium salt of phthalimides react with the alkyl halide. Here we will take the particular example for the alkyl halide. We will take the methyl iodide here. We can take any alkyl halide, that is we are taking an alkyl halide as the methyl iodide. When react with the methyl iodide, it will use the compound called, that is it will use the intermediate product here or intermediate compound C double bond O and CH3 here C double bond O. The intermediate product, further we are carrying the alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis, the reaction hydrolysis is carried out in the presence of an alkali solution. It is known as alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline we are carrying further, it is further and alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis means the hydrolysis which is carried out in the presence of an alkaline solution is known as alkaline hydrolysis. The compound will undergo alkaline hydrolysis, then it will produce the compound called an primary amine. Here we are taking the methyl iodide and it will use the compound methyl amine. Here C double bond O and CH3, and here we are carrying the further alkaline hydrolysis. It will produce the compound called an primary amine. Let us see how it will undergo hydrolysis, alkaline hydrolysis. Then one KO will be attached to this carbon atom and another KO will be attached to this carbon atom. That is, and one hydrogen will be added to this nitrogen, and from this KOH one hydrogen will be added to this one. And once again see here, the breakage of this CN bond will take place and OK will attach to this carbon atom, and here the breakdown of CN bond will take place and OK, that is OK will attach to this carbon atom and hydrogen, two hydrogens are attached to the nitrogen to form the NH2, and finally it will produce the compound, that is the byproduct is here C double bond O, that is, and C double bond O, one OK is attached to, that is OK here and here OK, plus and two hydrogen attached to N group, that is NH2, then it will become the NH2 CS3 and S2. Okay. The compound is the methylamine here. The compound will be the methylamine. Methylamine. From this reaction, okay, this is about the phthalimide Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Once again I will repeat here. When the phthalimide react with the strong solution of alkali, then it will use the compound called and sodium potassium salt of phthalimide. We are taking the potassium hydroxide, therefore it will use the potassium salt of phthalimide. If we take the NaOH, then it will use the sodium salt of phthalimide. It will use the potassium salt of phthalimide, which further we are heating with the alkyl halides and it will use an intermediate product. And further we are carrying the alkaline hydrolysis and finally it will use the compound called and primary amine. We are using the methyl iodide, therefore it produces the methyl amine as the major product. In this reaction, from this Gabriel-Thallemard synthesis, let us take note here. From the Gabriel-Thallemard synthesis, from note first one, from this method, only primary amines or aliphatic amines are prepared from this method. From this method, only the primary aliphatic amines can be prepared by this method. This is about the methods of preparation. The third one, we have taken the cyanohydrocarbon or nitrile, that is Mendes reaction. These two are very important for the examination. Once again, I will repeat here. Cyanohydrocarbons, that is nitriles, undergo reduction in the presence of nickel as catalyst at 140 degrees Celsius and 130 atmospheric pressure. That will use the amines here. In the place of amine, we can take and other reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride or sodium in ethanol or ethyl alcohol. The fourth method is from amides. The amides undergo reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride that produces the compound called an amines. Fifth method here, from the amides, Gabriel-Thallemard synthesis, it is also known as Gabriel-Thallemard synthesis. When the thalamide react with the salt of and strong solution of alkali solution, it may be potassium hydroxide or it may be sodium hydroxide, then it will use the salt of that thalamide. That is, if we take the potassium, then it will use the potassium. If we take the sodium, then it will produce the sodium salt of and thalamide, which on further heating with the alkaline halides, and further we are carrying the alkaline hydrolysis, it will produce the compound called and primary amines. That we are taking the alkyl halide and methyl halide, therefore it will use the compound methyl amine as the major product. These are all the methods for the synthesis of amine. In next class we will see the next topic. Thank you.